Essay. Children's Day. Children's Day in India is a special day for kids. It is celebrated on November 14 every year. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Kids call him Chacha Nehru. On this day, schools have fun activities. There are games, songs and dances. Teachers tell stories about Nehru. Children get sweets and gifts. It is a happy day for all kids in India.